Hello. In this video, you will learn how to export reports and export report data in Power BI. With WorldShare reports in Power BI, you can export a report screen from the File menu to your local workstation as a PDF, PowerPoint, or PNG file. It's important to note that exporting a report results in an export snapshot of the report visuals as they appear on your screen. To view all report data in a visual, you must export report data from a report visual. To begin, sign into your library's WorldShare site, then click on the Analytics tab. From the left navigation tab, click on Reports, then Reports/Visualizations. A list of available reports is displayed. To run a report, click the report title. For example, you can select the High-Use Circulation Titles report. To export this report screen, click on the File menu in the upper left corner, then click Export. Next, select an export file type from the flyout menu, such as PDF. The file will automatically begin downloading. If you would like to view all report data, export the report data from a report visual. Begin by hovering in the visual. Several icons will appear in the right corner. Click on the three dots, which is the More Options button. Click Export Data in the pop-up menu. The Which Data Do You Want to Export dialog box shows. Note that only available options will show. For example, some visual types, such as charts, will only show the Summarized Data option. Select a file format from the drop-down list. Options include .xlsx and .csv. Click Export. The file will automatically begin downloading. Repeat these steps if you need to export additional visuals in the report. Exporting summarized data will result in a table with filters enabled for each column and alternating colored rows, as seen on this graphic. If you are exporting report data from a table and/or matrix visual, as seen in the Circulation Events Detail report, you have two options. You can choose to export the data with current layout, which will export the data as a plain table with no styling or filters, or export as summarized data. This graphic shows the results of exporting data from a visual with a table and/or matrix as current layout. And this graphic shows the results of exporting data from a visual with a table and/or matrix as summarized data. For additional assistance, contact OCLC support in your region at oc.lc/support. Thank you for watching.